Let me guess, you guys might be stuck on the short-form hamster wheel, creating daily content just to stay visible and somewhat relevant. But visibility doesn't equal sales, and you're starting to feel it. Deep down, you know that is not a content strategy, that is a survival strategy. And it's exhausting. So let's fix that, because there's a better way to grow your business long-term. And I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like in this video. Stick with me, because what I'm about to do is share the exact content shift that turns casual scrollers into premium buyers without you ever sending a DM or hopping on a sales call. Short-form content is built for quick laughs and even quicker scrolls. Instagram, TikTok, these platforms are designed to reward dopamine, not depth. And the worst part is these platforms want you to feel trapped, because the more content you make for them, the longer people stay on their platforms. And the longer people stay on their platforms, the more money they can make from businesses buying ad space. So while you're burning out from both ends, you're putting money in their pockets instead of yours. And yes, I know your short-form content gets views. It gets likes. Maybe your content even goes viral here and there. But ask yourself this: how often does it lead to deep, qualified leads? The kind who are ready to buy your premium offer, not the kind who have to view your $17 checklist sales page 6 times before finally deciding if they want to buy it or not. This is about becoming a business owner who creates content that does the heavy lifting for you. Content that builds trust while you sleep, that drives traffic to your digital products, services, or coaching programs while you're on vacation, that brings in clients before they ever speak to you directly. So let's get into it. Why does YouTube convert better than any other platform you're on right now? The first and most important reason is YouTube is the most powerful search engine for business owners, period. Unlike TikTok or Instagram, people don't come to YouTube to zone out or doom scroll before bed. They come to solve problems. They come to learn. They come to make decisions. That means the moment someone clicks into your video, they're already kind of looking for a transformation of sorts. And that's what makes them the most valuable kind of viewer: problem aware and ready to take action. Let's break this down. Let's say you're a business coach or a content strategist or like a UGC creator like I am. People are actively searching right now for how to make a high converting sales page, how to land more UGC clients, how to build a personal brand people trust. Now imagine they type that in, because they are, and your video shows up for it. They click it, they watch, they binge 2 more of your videos that YouTube recommended for them. And by the time they actually reach your offer, they don't need convincing. They've already decided, I trust this person and I want to work with them. That's what YouTube does. It builds trust before the pitch. It nurtures before the discovery call. It qualifies before the DM is ever set. That's the power of one 12-minute evergreen video. It can replace 4 nurture emails, 6 Instagram posts, and even that 20-minute discovery call that you're tired of repeating. What would your business look like if every lead felt that way? I will tell you what it looks like. More sales, more alignment, more freedom. And speaking of freedom, let's talk about something short-form platforms never offer you: money just for showing up. YouTube is the only platform that actually pays you to market your own business. Here's how. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you unlock YouTube's partner program, which means ads start playing on your videos and YouTube starts sharing that revenue with you. That's passive income, just for doing what you were already doing: educating, entertaining, and building trust on their platform. But we're not done, because affiliate links to your favorite tools, softwares, and products, they also perform 10 times better on YouTube than they do on TikTok or Instagram combined, because your audience is in decision-making mode and solution-finding mode already by being on this platform in the first place. Plus, your audience is going to innately trust you more because of all of the value you are getting to them for free, and they're more convinced to want to use things that you say you use in your own business. Then, of course, there's sponsorships. Brands pay way more for YouTube integration because viewers binge your content, they listen longer, they trust deeper, and brands know that loyalty equals more conversions for them, so they're willing to invest more in your partnership upfront. And if you're selling your own services, coaching, digital products, or physical offers, YouTube leads also tend to convert faster and higher than any other traffic source, because by the time someone lands on your sales page, they've spent 20+ minutes with you already. They've seen your brain at work. They've already decided they want to invest. So YouTube isn't just for visibility, it's velocity for your business. But let's take this a step further, because when you build a YouTube channel, you're not just building content, you're also building a skill stack that makes you unstoppable in the online space. You learn how to speak with clarity, Teach with structure, sell through storytelling, edit with intention, design with strategy, and create bingeable content that people want to keep consuming until they run out of your videos. These are the skills that make you more bookable, more referable, and more profitable online. You're the person people want to hire, collaborate with, and learn from. And if you ever want to pivot into digital products, group coaching, building a course, hosting a membership, even landing paid speaking gigs, this is your training ground. And here's the real kicker. The exact skills that you're using to build your own YouTube channel, you can then turn around and sell them to somebody else as a new service, as a full-blown package, as another income stream. Because your content isn't just marketing your own business, it's also helping you grow an asset library of monetizable skills that will only become more and more in demand as the creator economy continues to scale astronomically over the next 5 to 10 years. Evergreen discovery is the new high-converting funnel. Here's why. When you post on TikTok, your video lives for like 36 hours, if the algorithm's feeling generous. On Instagram, a few days tops, and then gone. But on YouTube, your content lives forever. One video you post today can still be working for you 6 months from now, driving leads, nurturing buyers, making sales. You don't have to repost it. You don't have to remake it. You don't have to run ads to it, and you don't have to literally even ever mention it again, because YouTube is a search engine, which means people are finding your video by searching for answers they were already looking for in the first place. Your best content gets discovered every day without lifting another finger. It works while you sleep, while you travel, while you build your next offer. So let's just say this video works and you're ready to go. You want to stop ghosting your YouTube journey potential. You film a video this weekend, you post it, then you literally forget about it. Fast forward 6 months, you open your inbox and see this. Hey, I just binge watched 3 of your videos. How do we work together? That's not luck. That's not a fluke. That is evergreen content doing exactly what it was designed to do. And this person is the kind of lead that doesn't need a ton of nurturing to warm them up, because the video library that you built already did that for you. Stop starting from scratch every morning and let YouTube be the source of your strategy, with every other platform becoming a cog in a larger repurposing machine. This is how you create less but build way more. You don't need to become a YouTuber, guys. You don't need 100,000 subscribers. You don't even need 1 viral video. What you need to do is build content that positions you as the expert, nurtures trust before the sale, and builds authority that lives on long after you post it. So ask yourself this: 1 year from now, do you want more views or more revenue? Do you want more followers or more freedom? Because if it's freedom that you're after, YouTube is your vehicle, not TikTok. And if you're serious about building your content ecosystem the smart way, you're also going to want to watch this video next, where I'm breaking down the exact 15 things that I'm doing right now to grow my channel faster based on hundreds of hours of content I've consumed from the pros.